Hi dear students, welcome to Dr. Soros's classes, and today I am solving the Economics Honors Major Paper. There will be a specific topic, that is Microeconomics I 2023 previous year paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side, or want to take doubt clearing session, or want to take previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sosa himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. So already all you all know that Dr. Sosa's class is the best coaching institution for any type of economics related examination. So don't waste time. This is the best time. Why? Now we are providing the maximum discount for this course. Okay. So this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurabh's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurabh sir. So let's start with question number 1D. What will say this 1D? The question will say that an increase in the demand for computer game raises the quantity supplied by 50%. If elasticity of supply is 5, then determine the change in price. So to determine the change in price given the elasticity of supply and the percentage change in quantity supply, we can use the formula of price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply, price elasticity of supply, that is measured by ES. So ES means percentage of change in quantity supplied divided by percentage of change in price. So here the given data are elasticity of supply ES is 5 and percentage of change in quantity supplied, that is percentage of changes, that means defined del of QS means 50%. So we need to find the percentage of change in price. We need to find the percentage of change in what? Price. So you use the formula ES equals to what? Percentage of QS by percentage del of P. Okay, so that can be written as in this way: percentage of del P is equals to percentage of del QS by ES. Okay, so what will be the answer? So percentage of del P is equals to percentage of del QS means 50% by 5, that means 10%. Okay, so the change in price is what? So the change in price is 10%. So that means that to achieve a 50% increase in quantity, 50% increase in quantity supplied, the price of computer games must increase by 10%. Okay, that's all about that. To know more such methods, share this video to your friends and your family, and stay tuned and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. We will meet you next session soon. Thank you.